Hey everyone, Rylis Productions here. We're about to ship another one of our Cuda front plastic spoilers, ABS plastic spoilers to a customer, and we're going to detail on this little video of how to maintain it. These are made out of ABS plastic. They're very durable, but they can get sun damaged if you leave them on your car and exposed to the UV rays. So what we do with every single spoiler is we spray them down with a coat of 303 aerospace protectant and all that. It's like Armor All, but it's actually UV protectant. It does a better job. We have a gallon of it, and we spray all of our spoilers down. Like I said, this is for a customer. We just spray painted it, our logo on it. Let me flip it over here. We never did this before to our spoilers, but we just started with our stencil. So there's your spoiler. Each spoiler is serially numbered. There's 51. So one of our lucky customers is going to get this specific spoiler. So thank you very much for purchasing from us. I really appreciate it. This one with the Jackson Pollock design on it is the Cuda's specific spoiler. Just to show as an example, this spoiler has been on the Cuda for almost 10 years, just about 10 years, and it's still running strong. We maintained it by just spraying some Plasti-Dip just to protect from, like I said, the UV rays and all that. This design is actually bugs from all the butterflies and bees that we didn't kill intentionally, but committed suicide on the car to drive down to Big Willow from NorCal to SoCal. So, but yeah, they're all bugs. So, but like I said, this specific spoiler is still running strong. That's like 10 years worth of driving and track days and all that stuff. So we'll just coat it with Plasti-Dip. Every once in a while, we'll scrape it down. I'll scrape all the bugs off and coat it over with the Plasti-Dip, and it looks just like, pretty much just like when it was brand new. It's hard to tell the difference, but this specific Cuda spoiler, the ABS plastic, is very durable. But like I said, like anything is susceptible to sun damage from the ultraviolet rays from the sun. Doesn't do you any good. So if you can, just at least spray paint it. Black spray paint will work well. Plasti-Dip is a better solution. At the very least, just spray paint it or something. It'll just make it last much longer. So also we do not supply these with the spoilers, but we just use stainless steel hardware with a nylock nut at the end. All stainless washers, because you need to drill the flange so it'll meet up with the valence on the Cuda. That's how you bolt it down. Drill typically 8 holes would be very sturdy and sufficient, and it'll just conform to the valence. But other than that, that's just pretty much small maintenance for our Cuda spoilers. But the hardware you can get from pretty much any local hardware store, Home Depot or Ace Hardware. They'll have all this stuff. You guys have some very expensive, nice cars, so we don't tell you to drill your painted valence. On top of that, you can also use a flat rubber washer. We don't have one. We don't use them for the Cuda because we don't care. But they do have thin, flat rubber washers that are available that'll protect the your nice painted lower front valence is paint from the getting pinched, because bugs and stuff will come into it if you track the car regularly. But yeah, yeah, you'll have fun with it once you get your spoiler on. You will know what we'll talk about. Just drill the top flange with like eight bolts. 6 bolts will work too, but 8 bolts is what we use. So, and then for those guys who are waiting on a Challenger spoiler, we are going to work on them. We are going to be working on the Challenger spoiler, and we just need to get front fenders for the Challenger, and this other fender here is, goddamn fucking camera. This other fender here is all fucked up, so we have to get another fender for it, driver's side fender. We are slacking, we know, but we will get to it. It's not easy to fabricate a new front spoiler piece. This is the one we got. This is a fiberglass version. It's not the best fitting one, so we're not too happy with it. But we're gonna remake it. This is from John Seacrest's fiberglass spoilers in SoCal. He sold it to us, but it doesn't fit as great as we like. And ours, we're gonna use this as an example and make a better fitting piece. And you know, but we want to make it right, and that's what's taking us so long. It's not the easiest to, like I said, to make a spoiler from scratch, but we want to do it right, and we don't want to sell a half-ass product. So, but that's the way it is. If this was easy, everybody would be doing it, but they're not. So, but in any case, this is Rylis Productions. I'll see you guys later. Thanks.